Islamic State is increasing its use of drones and suicide vehicles in the fight to hold on to its last urban stronghold in Iraq. The militant group uses weaponized drones to target Iraqi forces trying to retake the city of Mosul, which the group seized in 2014. As Islamic State is squeezed into a smaller area in the western part of the city, the militants have fine-tuned their drone usage, loading them with grenades to drop over targets. Iraqi forces respond with rifle fire and high-tech gadgets and use drones of their own. The US-led coalition in Iraq says Islamic State's increased drone capability won't have a major impact on the state of the battle for Mosul, but the group uses drones to target civilians and aid workers and continues to terrorize people who used to live under its rule. On Wednesday, an Iraqi commander said troops are approaching Mosul's main government complex in the city's western half, the Associated Press reported. Some 8,000 civilians have fled the western part of Mosul as the battle has raged on. Iraqi forces launched the push to take the western half of Mosul from the Islamic State group last week, after securing the eastern part in January. US military personnel are on the ground to advise and coordinate with Iraqi forces.
Well, the western Mosul especially would be a difficult fight for any army, so it will no doubt be challenging. But I have no doubt, again, that the Daesh is trapped, that there's no outcome but one for this, and that's the defeat of Daesh.